Hi, I'm Mike Gabby from iSeek Blinds. My team and I are fanatical about custom making each one of our products right here in our Melbourne factory with the finest quality components and the finest quality fabrics to your exact specifications. We've assembled a great team of people to help us here in our Melbourne factory, and we only manufacture for iSeek Blinds customers. Our roller blind team manufacture every single custom made blind from scratch right here in our Melbourne factory. We use the finest quality fabrics and the finest quality equipment to ensure the product that we manufacture is something that you're going to love and you're going to enjoy for years and years. iSeek Blinds is an online DIY website. My YouTube videos will show you easily how to measure and install products and how everybody can come out with an awesome result that's so easy, we think that everyone can do it.